Hey everyone, over here on a job. I'm picked up a painting job. Oh, yeah, been a nightmare. I'm freaking blind. Oh boy, paint peeling off all over. I'm so behind. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, I pressure washed it already, and it's still peeling off. So I'm doing some scraping and doing some latex sealer. The reason why I want to make a video though is mostly because of how cool and how awesome stumpy tailed cattle dogs are. Australian cattle dogs. They're just awesome. Here's Joe, everybody. See him? He goes with me everywhere I go. I mean, he is the smartest whip I've ever freaking had. He just, see? What I do? He comes with me. Huh? See? And, oh, what's this? Huh? Joe? Frisbee? Wham! Hop! 180. Twist. Down. Good boy, Joe. Let's go, Joe. Circle it up. Good boy, Joe. Good boy. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Anyway, just wanted to share. Peace.